We've talked a bit about types of wind last week, and now we get to talk about circulations and how winds interact in the atmosphere and things that wind can do. And one of the things wind can do is it can cause turbulence, and different types of turbulence are really important. And one of the really important ones for, say, planes and flying is clear air turbulence. So turbulence where there aren't necessarily any clouds or anything to indicate turbulence in that area. And this type of turbulence is why they ask you to remain buckled up if you're on a plane. So what's happening here is you have a difference in wind speed, which is called shear. So a difference in wind speed or direction is wind shear. And really strong wind shear, like you see here, where the upper level speeds up, has really fast wind, the lower level remains pretty slow. The upper air is moving much more quickly, and being removed from the area. So this upper air is pulling air out, forcing the lower air to try to move up to fill in. And that means it's pulling this wind with it. So basically, everything is deforming because of this drastic difference in wind speed, and it ends up causing circulation. So basically what's happening is this really fast wind starts moving, and it's trying to fill in that gap, and it starts overturning. So if you're flying through this, when you hit this side of it, you're getting pushed up. As you move through and hit this side, you're getting pushed down. So being pushed up and down can be really jarring when you're in a plane.